Welcome to a world full of endless entertainment with your Firestick. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need is access to the Amazon Firestick home screen. Let's get you started. Navigate to the search bar and type in Downloader. Yes, that's the magic word we'll begin with. Next, click on the Downloader app from the search results and install it for free. Once installed, open the Downloader app. You're now one step closer to limitless TV. In the Downloader app, enter this magical URL here, to jumpstart the process. After entering the URL, hit the Go button and watch the downloading process commence. Great! The download is completed. Now, click Install and then Done for a smooth setup. Next, you'll find the IPTV Smarters Pro icon in your Apps and Channels list. There it is. Access the IPTV Smarters Pro app to begin the setup process for your favorite channels. Enter the credentials given by your IPTV provider. Here's where 2tv.store has you covered. Once logged in, experience a vast library of channels and content at your fingertips. 2tv.store provides the best channel lineup. Consider them your go-to for premium IPTV service. With 2tv.store, enjoy endless content across the USA and UK, all from your Firestick. Experience high-quality TV viewing today by following these easy, quick steps on your own. Don't forget to hit the link in the description for 2tv.store. Happy streaming adventures!